Hello. Now I am going to discuss the experiment, that is a study of the effect of open and short circuit. So here the apparatus required are single pole switch 2. Here we need two pole switches in the board. Two pole switches, that is in a number 2. Next bulb holder 2. So this is two bulb holders, and then we need two bulbs. So here two bulbs we need, and AC ammeter of the range 0 to 2 amps. So this is the AC ammeter of the range 0 to 2 amps, and then AC voltmeter of the range 0 to 300 volts. So for that we are using the multimeter. Okay. To analyze the effect of the short circuit and open circuit, this is the circuit diagram we have considered. Here say voltmeter which is connected across the supply, and also to analyze the voltage across each lamp, we are going to measure the voltage across each lamp. Okay, see here switch S1 and S2. Here when the switch is opened, will be the voltage sharing between the two bulbs that we are going to study, and when both are closed, how the voltage will be shared. And in this case, when S2 is closed, this will act as the short circuit. Okay, when this is open, this will act as a open circuit, and when the S1 is closed, there is no connection between the supply and the lamp, so no lamp will be glow. So that we are going to understand. See, usually in open circuit voltage is maximum and current is minimum, whereas in closed circuit voltage is minimum, current is maximum. Okay, it is almost, see, in closed circuit voltage is almost 0, but practically it won't be 0, so it is minimum, whereas current is maximum. So that we are going to study here. So this is the tabulation of that. So in this is the closed healthy part. So in this case both S1 and S2, based on the condition of S1 and S2, the lamp will on or off. See here, if the switch S1 is closed, S2 is open, what will be the condition of the lamp 1 and lamp 2? See here, switch S1 is closed, so there is a continuity, so the supply will be connected, so this lamp will be glow whether this switch is here. If it is shorted, there will be no voltage across this bulb. Why? Because across the shorted path voltage is minimum or almost 0, so this will become off. So initially in first condition, what I'll do, I'll close switch S1 and S2 open. When the switch S1 is closed, so here R1 and R2 will share the voltage, because in series path voltage will be shared. So when S1 and S2, in this condition, when S1 is closed and S2 is open, S1 is closed, S2 is open, both the lamp will be on state. Next, in open circuit condition, when S1 is open, S2, whether it is open or closed, since there is no supply to the bulbs, both will be in off state. Okay, next in third condition, that is when S1 is closed and S2 is closed. See here, this is closed means this will act as a shorted path. If this is acting as a shorted path, voltage across the short circuit is voltage across the short circuit, that is closed circuit, or we are going to call it as a short circuit. Voltage in the short circuit is minimum, or it will be 0. Once the voltage is 0 here, so the entire voltage will be taken by this lamp. See here, this is the circuit diagram which has been connected as in the circuit. See here, now switch S1, both are in, now it is open. So now I'll close this switch S1. When when switch S1 is closed, both the lamp will be on. Both the lamp will be on. Okay, so next I'll open the switch S1. This is S1 and this is S2. I'll open the switch S1. When the switch S1 is open, if this is open or closed, nothing will change because there is no continuity in this circuit, so the lamp won't glow. Next, in short circuit condition, this is closed, switch is closed, that is S1 is closed and S2 is also closed across the lamp, so that means this is acting as a shorted path. See here S2 is also closed, so that means shorted means at shorted branch voltage is 0. When the voltage is 0, there won't be having voltage in this bulb. When there is no voltage, it won't glow. Okay, are you observing? Yes. So based on this condition, we are going to take the current and the voltage reading. So initially, see, switch S1 is closed. In this condition, switch S1 is closed, you will be supply voltage, it won't change. You will be having the same supply voltage. 240 volts. Okay, so now I'll close this switch. So now voltage across each lamp, is, see here, voltage across lamp 1 is 118 volts, voltage across lamp 2 is 121. So both are sharing equally, almost equal voltage sharing is taking place, whereas current is 0.53 amps. So here voltage in this condition, it is 240 volts. Initially we have noted down. Next current is 0.53 and voltage across L1 is, initially it is measured as 118 volts and voltage across lamp 2 is 121.4 volts. Okay, so now this switch is closed and this will be closed. In that condition, what's happening? When switch is closed, both are closed. So this is the condition when both the switches are closed. So lamp 1 is glowing, lamp 2 is off. So you can observe here lamp 1 is glowing brightly, whereas lamp 2 is off. And here you can observe the voltages. So voltage of lamp 1 is, that is VL1, 239.3 volts. 239.3 volts. Now voltage across lamp 2. Voltage across lamp 2 is, are you observing? It is 0.056. So that is almost 0 volts. Some residual voltage is there, but okay, it is almost 0 volts. Current is 0.77 amps. It is 0.77 amps. And voltage, supply voltage, it won't change. It will remain as it is. (239), that is 240 volts supply voltage. Next, here this is open. If this is open, switch 1 is open, switch 2, if it is open or closed, since there is no closed path for the flow of current, hence both the lamp will be off. So voltage in the supply side is 240, it won't change, that is 240.4, it won't change. Current is 0 across the load, it is 0 amps, whereas voltage across lamp 1 is, how much you will get? You will get 0, and across lamp 2 also 0. Okay. So from this what we can conclude, in shorted path the voltage is minimum, current is maximum. That is, in shorted path voltage, this is the shorted path, in this path voltage is minimum, whereas in open circuit the current is minimum. So this is the conclusion we can make. So in open circuit current is minimum, in shorted circuit voltage is minimum. So this current we are observing across the load. Which load? Across the lamp itself. Okay.